Hi everyone, Phatt Mum here, and thank you for tuning in to my round 2, week 1 check-in. So you probably haven't seen a video from me for a couple of weeks because I had 2 weeks off doing maintenance, and then I started back a week ago on stage 1, and this is my second round. So I was just discussing with my husband how we will do my updates. Do I give you an update for this round or a cumulative update? So I think what we'll do is we'll pretend that it's starting at 0. So in the last round, I lost 6.7 kilos, and over maintenance, I put on 200 grams, which I thought was pretty good going. And I had several birthdays during that 2 weeks off, and then I started back last week. And one of the things I wanted to say is the reason I didn't do a video last week to say I'm back on the program, I did do a post, but is because my life was really crazy last week. And my youngest son was very sick, and I just had all these things not go well in my life. And I'm fine, it's all good. But I started back on the program, and I actually decided that I wasn't feeling 100% myself. So I decided that I would stick on stage 1 for a whole week, and I am actually on stage 1 still today. And I'm going to start stage 2 tomorrow. And the thing about the program is that it can work for you and your lifestyle. So the thing that we know about losing weight is that we kind of say to ourselves, I'm going to do it when it's a good time. I'm going to find a break in my life or the schedule or my program or whatever it is, and I'm going to do that. And that does not exist. We're always busy, and we need to somehow make the program work to fit in with our life. So last week, when my son was sick, I was really emotional and was tired and I was struggling, and I really wanted to just sit and eat and all those things. I wanted to eat my feelings instead of feeling them, which is a really classic thing for those who have struggled with our weight. And I actually found after about 3 days, I got in the groove of the program, and I did really well in terms of weight loss in those first few days. And then over the weekend, I was on a retreat, and I had very little control over the food that I ate. So the food was supplied, and I had to make the best choices that I could, which I feel like I did pretty well with. So I am happy with my week 1 results, but I also want to say that please don't not do the program because you think you've got stuff going on in your life, because we need to learn to cope with our life and what we have going on at any given point. And if we use food as a crutch, we need to learn how to cope without that. And there's a part of me that feels like last week felt so hard because very used to eating my feelings rather than feeling them. And so it was a little bit raw, having to feel the things that were going on in my life that weren't feeling great and kind of work through those rather than just sit in a quiet room and eat. So yeah, it's been a great week, but it's not been an easy week. And my children start school holidays this week, and we're going off camping, and I've got lots going on. So I'm not 100% decided whether I'm not going to move on to stage 2, if I'm honest. I'm going to see how I feel tomorrow, because I want to be realistic about what I can achieve when I'm camping with my family and those kind of things. So I guess the message that I wanted to say is, even though I haven't had a good week, I've still lost weight, and the program can work for you if you want to make it work. So if you decide that your lifestyle is too hectic, or you go out too much, or you don't do it, you're never going to do it. So you need to make a decision that if you want to lose weight, then you're going to have to make this work, and you're going to have to make some decisions, and you're going to have to make some sacrifices and say some no's. So trust me, if I can do it, you can do it. I have so many people that I mentor that say to me, I've fallen off the wagon, I'm so embarrassed, I'm not doing well. And I'm like, oh my goodness, I have fallen off the wagon so many times, I've probably broken every metaphorical bone in my body. So trust me when I say we're in this journey together, and I will try and get some more videos out this week. I'm feeling a lot better, but it is nice to be back on the program. It's nice to be chatting to you all. So have a great afternoon, and I'll look forward to speaking to you soon. Bye.